Hey guys, welcome to Proto Coders Point. Okay, so in this Flutter tutorial, let's learn how to fit a widget inside another widget so that it can acquire the complete available space of its parent widget. Okay, so here I have created a Flutter project in my Android Studio IDE, and it has a container, and a container has a child as center widget, which has a child as text widget. So as you can see over here, the size of this text widget is 20 and it is available to fit into this container widget. So suppose if I increase the size of this text widget, so suppose if I make it as 80 pixels and hot refresh, so you can see the content of this text widget is getting cropped, and the available, it is just showing that subscribe to Proto, and the coders point is just missing. Okay, so I want to make this text widget to be visible inside this container widget. So for that what I can make use of is fitted box. Okay, so here in the center widget I can just wrap it with fitted box. Okay, so now if I hot refresh, so you can see that the container child is just acquiring the complete space that is available in the container widget. Okay, so suppose if I do it 150, so if I do any size, so it will just, this fitted box will just ignore the defined style to this text widget, and it will just acquire the complete available space of this container. Okay, so suppose if I want to make this size smaller, so suppose if I want to make this font size as 8 and hot refresh, so you can see the size is not getting changed, right? Okay, so that's because the fitted box widget is just ignoring the defined size of this text widget. So it is just ignoring it and it is building the view for us. Okay, so now if the font size is less than the available container widget size, so I want to just make the text widget the defined size, right? So what I can do is I can just give a property to this fitted box, that is fit property, and with this I can make use of fitted box dot scale down. Okay, so now if I hot refresh, so you can see it is working now. So it is just taking the size of this font and it is just applying to this text widget. Okay, so let me increase the size and check if it is going outside the container widget or no. So let me make it as 180, hot refresh. So you can see the contents of this text widget is not going outside the container widget, it is parent widget. Okay, so this is how you can just wrap the content of this text widget or the child widget that is going outside the defined box or a container. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Hope you got the concept of how to make use of fitted box in Flutter. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Proto Coders Point. Thank you.